Some people change the front bumper for the looks, but for me, it's about peace of mind. Trading a tiny bit of fuel economy for total confidence against impacts in the wild, that's a win. In overlanding, that confidence is more important than horsepower. We've been looking for the final piece of the puzzle for the Grenadier's performance. And this steel bumper is the perfect missing link for the factory engineering. I'm DJ from Plomor. Today, we are diving deep into what I call your essential insurance policy. If you are a fan of clean functional design, hit that like and subscribe button. You can't talk about bumpers without talking about winches. The Grenadier's factory recovery system is world-class. The last thing you want is a fancy bumper that ruins the factory setup. When we developed this, we built it around the factory winch mode. It keeps the original heavy-duty structure intact. Look at the mounting points. The Plomor bumper leaves plenty of room for the winch controls and lead rope. Your hands and gear have all the space they need. We are not just toughening up your front end, we are making sure your recovery system works exactly as intended. For materials, we choose high-strength steel with precision stamping and welding. But let's talk about the finish: black powder coating. Cheap bumpers use regular paint, which chips and rusts the second pebble hits it. The powder is heat bonded to the steel, creating an incredibly tough shield. The matte black texture perfectly matches the original factory plastics. It gives you that OE Plus look. It feels like a performance upgrade straight from the factory, not an afterthought. Modern rigs aren't just mechanical, they are full of sensors. We precision align every radar port to match the factory coordinates. Your parking sensors will work perfectly without any false alarms. For those long night drivers, we've pre-drilled mounting holes for extra lights. They fit 8mm and 10mm spots, where you will need to pick your own lights. This open access design means you can bolt on a pair of spotlights or fog lights without any drilling or cutting. A bumper shouldn't turn your rig into a tank, it should be precise. This is a balanced upgrade. It gives your Grenadier the grit to handle rocks and brush while keeping all its factory functions. If you are a no-nonsense player who values detail over flash, this is for you. New customers get 10% off their first order. I'm DJ. For more Grenadier builds, head over to Plomor.com. I will see you in the wild. Bye bye.